Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone hotspot is grayed out after updating or not working and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having this trouble, there are many reasons. So you need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, go to the general here. Now from here, go to about and make sure the cellular, if you're having any kind of update for cellular, just need to update it, and also make sure that your cellular SIM is supported with the hotspot, then only it will be working. So these kind of things are very important, so you just need to cross check it, right? If that's not working, then the next thing is all about you have to use your Siri and you have to use it in order to turn on the mobile hotspot. Right, so I just need to give the command for the Siri. Most of the time it works, so I'm just going to give the command to the Siri. You have to do the same, right? So I'm just going to give it, hey Siri, please turn on my mobile hotspot. As you can see right now, the personal hotspots is enabled over here, and this is how we can do it. And still, if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is you have to do a reset network settings. So to do so, go to the settings here. Now from here, scroll it down to the general, and from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the reset and go for reset network settings. It is not going to delete any of your data, but what it's going to do is the Wi-Fi and all those things you have to connect back, use the passcode once again, the password, and you have to connect back once again. That's what you have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.